of your eyes, the pattern on your shirt, the shape of your shadow, the rest just a blur. I try so hard to remember more. The sweetness of your breath, the joke you always told, the way you wore your hat when it got cold. Somehow I'm forgetting the details of your face. Take a photograph so to not forget. When I'm looking back, I have no regret. But even then I will find something's lost to time. The funny thing about memory is what we leave behind. Always cried when I came back home. That look was in your eye, no sinner could atone. No mountain I could climb could lift me to your height. The funny thing about memory is what we leave behind. Funny thing about memory, I'm forgetting all the while.